Hi dear subscribers and viewers, you're welcome once more to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I molded the base of the cowboy hat. Now the first thing you'll be needing is your hat wire that has already been wrapped, nylon, your bowl for molding, your water, chalk, scissors, measurement tape, thumb tacks. You would also be needing your cinnamon as well, your stiffener, and your mold. Okay, so your oil base. So I've already covered my mold with a nylon, and what I'm doing now is oiling it. Now if you haven't seen my previous video on how to mold with cinnamon, you need to check the description of this video below. I'll drop a link there on how to mold with cinnamon, so you see the beginning stage to the completion, because I've already done it. So this is kind of like a rush, so I'll show you how to get the base ready to place the crown of the hat on top. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so our mold is ready, it's dry. So the next thing you want to do is create a hole with your razor in the middle to assist you to cut round the place you're going to be placing your crown on top. You take your scissors and you're going to cut from the middle down to about 1 inch close to the part that will touch the crown of your hat. So you're not going to cut it all the way down with your scissors. No, you would leave an inch and an inch and a half that you're going to be notching. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so now I'm going to place my hat wire inside, and I'm going to be making use of uhu gum to close up the edges. Now I used black because I'm going to actually put black by cinnamon bias around the edges, so it doesn't matter. But if I was not going to place cinnamon bias, black cinnamon bias, I would make sure that I use cream. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is notch. It's what's called notching. So you cut off from the part you have cut the circle out down to the part where the crown is going to stay on top. So I'm going to be doing this all the way around. Now if you want to see how this hat was made beside, you want to click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when it pops up. Yes, that's the completion of how to mold the base of the hat and how to make if the cowboy crown that I'd already put up, we combined all and made this beautiful hat. So if you haven't watched how to mold the cowboy crown, do click this next video that is showing at the top of your screen. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.